This is Bob Bird with the Bird Family Insulation, and he is very, very strong in the cellulose installations. Look at the age of this internal wetting system. It's a 3-inch diameter. This goes back a ways.
It goes back 20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
Which shows you really appreciate the internal wetting system.
Yeah, we love these things. We got several.
Bob, can you tell us a little bit about your experience with the internal wetting system?
Oh, it's just as important as the machine. That internal wetting system is imperative. We're in our 6 million pound category. We've been in business that long. It's all retrofit business. We work for homeowners every day, all over metro Atlanta. We won't blow an attic without stabilizing the cellulose with water.
So you have a good feel for the amount of water that goes into the cellulose. It's misting the cellulose to take the dust away. Do you ever get called back on a job site to say, hey, everything's slumping down because of the water content?
No.
No, you never get called back.
I've never, not one time have I had a homeowner call me that, over a density issue or compaction or because of the stabilization.
With this, what kind of things should you do to set up your blower correctly? Are you dialing up your blowers more, shutting your airlock down a little bit? What do you do?
After a while, you just leave your settings alone because there's no variables there. We use the same manufacturer for cellulose. So there's the only variable is your water pressure and the pH in the water. Well, because I only use all borate formula cellulose, that is, the pH doesn't matter now because I'm not using the ammonium sulfate.
Have you found that you have to add a lot more cellulose to your job in order to get it done?
I can't really answer that because I've never blown an attic dry.
Okay.
So I don't really know, but being a retrofit contractor, it's just something you build into your pricing. It settles right there on the spot.
Yeah.
If you look at the side of a bale of cellulose, it shows you even like for R49, R50, it's minor what this over the lifetime of the insulation in that attic, how much it's going to settle.
Yeah.
It's marginal because that water sets up the wheat starch, turns that wheat starch into like a glue-like substance. And like you say, it gets crusty. Homeowners love it. They absolutely love it.
No dust.
No dust. The man in the rig is dustier than the man in the attic.
Yep. Thank you, Bob. It's been a pleasure.
Absolutely, Barry.